Hey guys, it is Victoria, and as you can already tell by the title, today I will be sharing with you guys how I have been maintaining long, thick, healthy hair. So stay tuned, it's coming right up. Okay, so for those of you who have already been following me or who have been subscribed to me for a while, you guys know that I love using essential oils in my hair. You guys know that I follow Ayurvedic practices in my hair in order to help my hair grow, in order to promote or stimulate hair growth. So what I use is based on my dosha. And I mentioned this once before in one of my Ayurvedic videos, but I go based on my dosha, and mine is Vata Pitta, and you can figure out what your dosha is. You just go to banyanbotanicals.com and take the dosha quiz and figure out what your dosha is. But mine is Vata Pitta, so that means that I am on the drier side. So I like to do things to moisturize and nourish my hair. Now, one of my favorite oils to use to keep my hair moisturized is coconut oil. I like to use it in my scalp as well as the strands of my hair. It's just one of my favorite moisturizers. It keeps my hair very much conditioned and it helps me retain length. And I just use coconut oil. I pick mine up from Whole Foods. It looks like this, and this is organic virgin coconut oil, and I use this and I rub it into my hair as a scalp massage, but I infuse it with oils. I like to use oils such as peppermint oil or tea tree oil or rosemary, anything that is going to help promote hair growth, because I am all about hair growth and getting thicker hair. Now, I used to do this very often. I would just take a couple of spoonfuls of this and put it into a cup and then mix my oils in. That was until I found this. This is called Healthy Hair Oil. This is by Banyan Botanicals. And basically what it is it's coconut oil and sesame seed oil infused with essential oils. So basically this has saved me a lot of time. So the reason I love this is because this is good for all hair types. So it says promotes thick and lustrous hair, nourishing for all hair types, right there on the bottle. And I had mentioned this to you guys in another video before, but you know how you have to kind of use something a little bit before you can really make the full assessment? I've been using this for about, I want to say about 3 months now, and she's a winner. She's an absolute winner. Oh, it has something in it called bringerage, and that is known as the ruler of hair. So Google it. Google it and look at all of the benefits of bringerage and come back and tell me what you think. Another tip that I have for you guys is to make sure you're keeping the heat out of your hair. Like, especially in the summer months, like it's already hot, it's enough heat in your hair. So try to avoid putting any type of heat in your hair, and if you must use heat, make sure you deep condition after you have used heat in your hair. So I have found that since I've stopped using heat in my hair, that my curls have just bounced back so beautifully. I had some heat damage in the past, and so I decided that I wouldn't use any more heat in my hair for a while, and ever since then my hair has just been really pumping back up, like really full of life. My curls have been really luscious, bouncy, and this is just all just what I noticed when I stopped using heat. So if you can avoid using heat in your hair, please do. Even if you just washed your hair and you want to diffuse it, try letting your hair air dry as opposed to putting any heat in it. Or if you are going to diffuse it, put it on the cool setting, because like I said, especially in the summer months, because your hair is getting enough heat, it's dry out, so try to avoid using heat in your hair. Another suggestion I'd like to make, which I always feel weird about this particular suggestion, and it's because it's dealing with the diet, and a lot of people don't really like changing their diets. I don't even like changing my diet, but I do know that it is important when you are trying to get healthier hair, thicker hair, longer hair, that it is imperative that you make some additions to your diet. You want to make sure you're adding vitamin C to your diet, fresh fruits and vegetables. Even if you don't feel like eating it, maybe you can do it in a smoothie, or you could do it in a veggie shake, just so your body can get the nutrients that it needs in order to produce the healthy hair that you're looking for, in order to assimilate all of your nutrients so you can get that thicker hair, that longer hair, or just to maintain healthy hair. Even if you don't feel like doing that, I know Banyan Botanicals, they have a healthy hair supplement. You can take a supplement if you don't feel like, and this could be a little bit more convenient for you if you don't particularly like fruits, or you don't particularly like vegetables, or you don't particularly feel like making a smoothie. Maybe this can be something that's more convenient for you. Now, I have just started this. I started this maybe 2 weeks ago, so I can't tell you 100% how well this works, but I'm gonna do a follow-up video for you guys and let you guys know. Another tip I have for you guys for maintaining long, thick, healthy hair is to avoid using shampoo. And I have mentioned this in videos before. And the reason why is because I feel like it strips your hair of all of its natural oils, especially if you have curly hair. Because here's the thing, with curly hair, it is hard for our natural oils, which is the oil that you need protecting the strands of your hair, the natural oils, not the hair products that you add to your hair. The natural oils, the sebum that's coming from your scalp, is what helps nourish the strands of your hair. But with our curly hair, it is hard for that sebum to get from here to the ends of your hair because it has so much to go through. It has to, like, gravity won't allow. So it's hard for the oil to travel here and just spiral its way down with curly hair. So what I would suggest doing is to avoid shampooing your hair and to give yourself scalp massages. And when you are doing the scalp massages, you can add in essential oils to help promote hair growth, and that stimulates hair growth, like the healthy hair oil that I just showed you, or other types of essential oils that work for you, and just massage that into your scalp. And while you're doing that, you can do the inversion method. And what that is you just basically you're flipping your hair over, you're giving it and you're massaging your scalp, and then that will allow your natural sebum to get to the ends of your hair. Now, here's a summer hair tip that I have for you guys, being that it's so hot out and so dry out, and your hair is really getting attacked by the sun, and that is to add some type of SPF to, like, a hairspray or some type of leave-in conditioner. I like to add mine to my aloe vera juice. So what I do is pour aloe vera juice in a spray bottle, shake it up, and I spray it in my hair just so my hair will not get heat damage from the sun. And if that's a little too much for you, just cover it up with like a nice little scarf, jazz it up, make it cute, but cover it up sometimes just so you can keep that heat out of your hair as much as possible. And finally, guys, I'm just going to leave you with know your hair type, know your porosity, know if you're 4B or 4C or 3C or 3B, know your dosha, know whether you have dry hair or oily hair. Just know your particular hair type. And the reason why that is so important is because what may work for some may not work for you. So you have to know your particular type of hair so you can know what to do to help your hair grow, to keep your hair healthy, to help maintain your hair length. So really get to know your hair and pay attention to your hair. See how your hair responds. Like, for instance, I have low porosity hair and my hair is protein sensitive. So if I were to do some intense, massive protein treatment, I know I'm gonna have to follow up with something that is more alkalizing or something that's deep moisturizing or something of the sort. So just know your particular hair type, because what may work for some simply may not work for you. So I just wanted to leave you guys with that. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. My son is behind me. But he was, you couldn't see him, right? Oh, he was hiding. But I wanted to come back and say to you guys, because I don't know how or why I always end up forgetting to mention or say something. Like at the end of every video, I'm like, I forgot to tell them, or I forgot to ask them. So I forgot to ask you guys to please turn on your notification bells, because for some reason, I don't know what's going on, but people aren't getting notified when I make a new video. So please make sure that notification bell is on. Also, I wanted to thank Banyan Botanicals for helping me make this video. Also, I want to ask you guys to please follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is @a_beauty_beast. And Jaxie, you want to say hi?
Hi.
Bye, guys.